So converting from rectangular to polar is a little bit more time, but it's really still not that hard. So if I know my values of x and y, so I have my point x, y, I want to go to r theta, I can just draw a triangle. So let's say I have some point here, x, y. I can just draw a line here, draw my triangle, and I have my little theta here. Okay, so I know this is my x and this is my y. So the angle I'm really looking for, big theta, and this will be theta 1. So I have this angle here. I really want this one. But let's first figure out how we can get this one. So the r is pretty easy. We have a triangle. We just know that r squared is x squared plus y squared. So that means that r is the square root of x squared plus y squared. And now I think about this, I have this theta, and I know these two. I know that the tangent of that theta 1 is y over x. Okay, and actually I'm going to say absolute value of y over x because this theta 1 is a reference angle, so it's always going to be the positive angle. That tells me my theta 1 is a tangent inverse of the absolute value of y over x. So I can find out sort of where I am because I'm getting my reference angle. And then we'll go over the steps, and you can see how we actually calculate it. So the first step is plot your point xy and note the quadrant. Because that's going to help you later. Sometimes it's on the axes. So then the second thing you're going to do, note if x is 0 or y is 0, I know that it's on an axis, and I can find r is going to equal the non-zero coordinate. Okay. Otherwise, I know that r is going to equal the square root of x squared plus y squared from the Pythagorean theorem. The third step is I need to find theta. So if x is 0 or y is 0, it's on the axis, and that's pretty easy to find. And otherwise, I have my reference angle equals the inverse tangent of the absolute value of y over x. And then look at my quadrant. So if my quadrant is 1, then my theta I'm actually looking for is just the theta I found. If my quadrant is 2, my theta is pi minus theta 1. Of course, you're working in radians, because if it's in this quadrant here, right, here's my reference angle. This is the one I want, so it's pi minus the reference angle. If it's in the third quadrant, my theta is pi plus that reference angle, because now it's down here, so I go all the way to pi plus a little bit more. And if it's in the fourth quadrant, my theta equals 2 pi minus my reference angle, because now it's over here, so I'm going all the way to 2 pi and then back again. So it's 2 pi minus that. So that's how we do it.